So what's going on today? We're in the shop, and what we got here is a badass trailer. Check it out. It's hauled by one of our clients. We did quite a few things on this one. Let's step up in here. Do have video of other things we did here, but I'm gonna give you a verbal walkthrough. Put in these lights. Come on back through here. Got them on dimmers. Oh, well, that's the red, but got these on dimmers as well. They're LED, so they're gonna flicker in the video. As you can see, I'm gonna shut them off a minute. I'm gonna dim these reds. Look at that. That is cool. Really cool. And dim them down. Really nice. Put in all this switching here. It's pretty baller. I mean, it wasn't there before. We also, as you can see, we put in some carpeting. So this customer wanted this carpeting on here. Put in this track. We also put in this other track that holds just not bicycles, them electrical bicycles. They're a little bit bigger size. So that's going to be cool. Put in some foam mat in this track right here. This track's good for all kinds of things, for clipping in bikes, you know, tools, accessories. It's like cargo clips. You do an abundant things with them, but get that in there. There you go, locks in. Pretty cool. Dude has air right there, so you can fill up his tires and whatnot. Overall, really cool. We come around here, put in all these lights all the way around the trailer. We're gonna get around to that also. Powder coated the wheels, which is really cool. Did all 4 of them. We also put in space. Oh my God. We also put space right in here for 3 spares, which hopefully you'll never need. Come on up in here. As you go around here, you'll see these cargo holds. Here's one here. I'm gonna open that up. Put in carpeting in here. There was already lighting in there, so we didn't bother with any of that. It's sufficient for the trailer. Put in all boogie. Nice boogie lights all the way down on the ground right here. You can see they're RGB. They can change all kinds of colors. Really cool. Also put in side view cams here, so when he turns on his blinkers, it protects him from his blind side. That's really nice, really convenient. Also here, his other places to put tires, as you can see, 2, 3. Do the same thing up in these cargo holds. Whee! Latches. Put in a nice backup camera right there. Check her out. I don't want to fall. Whee! So, did all the lights here. Really cool. We also did safety, like hazard lights that blink and flicker. This thing's leaving. I wanted to spend a little more time on this video, but check it out. It's really cool. Twister's the brand. Up front here, we got Brian diligent working on the last of all of this.
The electrical systems.
Put in the batteries. All kinds of switches, plugs, terminals. Everything's for a lot of different things. How you doing, Brian?
Oh, real good.
Turn off your light. Turn off your light, boy.
We got about 12 different relays in here for switching lighting and
speed up. I ain't good all day.
Yeah, it's all right. 12 relays for different light functions. Everything's automated. Turn signals. You know, the coach can control the strobe lights and it can control the underlighting. So Pretty cool.
Really cool. So, this is the trailer right here. What do we got? Get electric up and down on there. It's really cool. Really nice job. Really happy with the boys. It really came through. Really made this happen for the customer. Really cool. And as I always say, if you guys want to come on down, need something done, we do it all. We sell stereo systems, subwoofer boxes, you name it, we have it, we do it. We do it all. Oh my God. So where are we at? Well, you can find us at www.stereoinstalls.com. If you want to buy anything online, we ship nationwide. Also, you can stop on down to our brick and mortar showroom, which I'm standing in right now at 7471 Tyler Boulevard in beautiful Mentor, Ohio. Or if you got any questions, you can give Big Davey a call, 440-525-2001. We love you, baby. We're glad you're here with us, and we'll see you soon.
Yeah, boy.